Amo el café. Hola, I am Rosa León and you are in my channel to learn a second language easy MPC. Let's go. Amo el café. You are learning Spanish, of course you want to say what do you like, what do you love, what you don't like, what do you hate. Natalie, well, let's start right now to learn how to say what do you like. Well, if you want to say you love something, like me, I love coffee. Oh my gosh, my day cannot start if I don't drink coffee. Something like that happens to you? Well, if you love something, you say amo. Amo. Let's move a little here so you can see the vocabulary. So when you want to say you love something, like in my case, amo el café. Amo el café. What else? Me, amo el desayuno. I love breakfast. For me, it's the most important meal in the day. So in my case, amo el desayuno. What else? Amo el atardecer. I love the sunset. In my case, amo el atardecer. So far is amo el café, amo el desayuno, amo el atardecer. I really love it. So remember, if you want to say how much do you love something, you say amo. Easy, right? Amo. So, what do you love? ¿Qué amas? Now, what I like. So you can say, what do you like? Me gusta. Me gusta el cine. I like movies. Me gusta el cine. Me gusta leer. I like to read. Me gusta leer. Me gusta comer. I like to eat. Me gusta comer. So, me gusta el cine. Me gusta leer. Me gusta comer. What I like. Me gusta. What do you like? ¿Qué te gusta? Now, I don't like. No me gusta. No me gusta. Now, what I don't like. Que no me gusta. You are not going to believe this, but no me gusta el dulce. I don't like sweets. No me gusta el dulce. No me gusta el macarrón con queso. I don't like mac and cheese. No me gusta el macarrón con queso. No me gusta la televisión. No me gusta la televisión. I don't like the TV. No. Well, I watch some, I don't know, maybe 1 or 2 shows. Yeah, but I don't like TV. So, no me gusta la televisión. Let's do it again. No me gusta el dulce. No me gusta el macarrón con queso. No me gusta la televisión. What about you? What you don't like? ¿Qué no te gusta? What I hate. Well, odio las mentiras. I hate lies. Odio las mentiras. Odio la impuntualidad. I hate unpunctuality. Odio la impuntualidad. Odio las cebollas. I hate onions. Yeah, I hate it. So, odio. Odio las mentiras. Odio la impuntualidad. Odio las cebollas. What about you? What do you hate? ¿Qué odias? So far now, you know how to say in Spanish, I love, I like, I don't like, I hate. Amo, me gusta, no me gusta, odio. Amo el café. Me gusta leer. No me gusta el dulce. Odio las cebollas. Now, practice. Make a list with the things you love. Amo. With the things you like. Me gusta. With the things you don't like. No me gusta. And with the things you hate. Odio. And practice telling in your family, telling by yourself. Yeah, when you are looking you at the mirror, talk to you. Talk to yourself. Practice, practice, and practice. The only way to learn Spanish is practicing. Any languages, you need to practice. So practice with yourself. Talk by yourself. Practice with somebody else. Continue practicing. You will see. You will learn very fast with these tips. So now, make the list. Amo, me gusta, no me gusta, odio. If you are subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I am here because of you. I want to share with you everything I know about learning a second language. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell to remind when my videos will be available. Please follow me on my social media. I post every day tips in Spanish and in English. And of course, let's continue together this amazing journey, which is learning a second language. See you soon in my next video. Please don't stop practicing. Amo el español. Adiós, que estén bien.